Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a Zero Trust tunnel using Cloudflare WARP step by step clearly. To connect a Zero Trust tunnel using Cloudflare WARP, start by ensuring you have a Cloudflare account. Log in to your Cloudflare dashboard. Navigate to the Zero Trust section in your Cloudflare account. Click on Access from the Zero Trust menu. Select Application from the drop-down. Click the Add an Application button to create a new application. Choose the type of application you want to secure. Fill in the application details, including the application name and the domain. Proceed to the Policies section to set up access rules. Click on Add a policy to define who can access your application. Select the appropriate identity provider for authentication. Customize the roles and rules according to your organization's requirements. Save the changes to your application settings. Next, open the Cloudflare WARP application on your device. If you haven't installed WARP yet, download and install it from the official website. Once installed, open the WARP application. Log in with your Cloudflare account credentials. Enable the WARP connection to initiate a secure tunnel. In the WARP settings, choose the option for Zero Trust or for Teams. Confirm that the WARP application is showing a successful connection. You can now test access to your previously configured application. Try accessing the application from a web browser or application of your choice. Ensure that the Zero Trust policies are functioning by checking access permissions. If everything is set up correctly, you should have secure access to your application. For troubleshooting, revisit your Zero Trust settings and application policies as needed. Congratulations, you've successfully connected a Zero Trust tunnel using Cloudflare WARP. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.